Now this is how you can add images into the Capcut on your iPad. Let's begin. If you are new to this Foxtecc channel, make sure you are subscribed because I just don't want you to miss tutorials about Capcut in your iPad in the future. So either whenever you are starting a project in your Capcut, when you tap on the plus button, you can see we can pick from the videos, but in the middle of the screen we also have the photos section. So I can also just select the photos which I want to add to my timeline for the edits later. Similarly, inside of your project, an already existing one, at the end of the timeline, we have the plus button again, which will make us go to this same selection page. So again, you might be adding the videos as usual, but you can also switch to the photos as well as live photos. That's another interesting section. And you can just bring in your photos like that. You can adjust the length of the photos because it's just one frame, so you can stretch it out as much as you need. You can add some effects to it as usual, as if it were a regular video file. So all of the same things apply. Like you can click on the overlay and make it go on the top of your existing videos, right? Plenty of options. But this is generally how you can add images into Capcut on iPad. So if you like the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up to let me know about that. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.